Beauty Bakery Bubble Wrap Lip Whip. I love Beauty Bakery. Today I'm getting ready for my GLAC BEP graduation and putting my favorite wig on. So, for those of you that follow along, you know that I rarely glue down or even freeze spray down my wig, but I will this evening. I'm taking a lot of pictures, doing a lot of hugging, and I don't want anybody to adjust my wig. So I'm putting some freeze spray on the top. You guys know I hate wig glue. It's too messy, and I hate trying to figure it out. So it's messy, it takes forever to put on, but freeze spray is perfect. I can freeze down my wig in 5 minutes. Our wigs are glueless. As you see here, my wig is nice and secure. She's glueless. And look, so this is how she looks. Very, very beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know. Should I comb these curls out or leave it just is? So you see how natural my wigs look without any sort of freeze spray. This is how it looks up close in the camera. This is my lace right here. And boom, it's gone. I might leave the curls in. So I'm supposed to look business professional today. I have a nice jacket that I'm going to put on over this. I actually don't really want to put any freeze spray on it, but I will since we already started the video. But my wigs are glueless. She's not going anywhere. Nice and secure. You don't need any sort of spray. I'm actually really busy right now. You don't need any sort of freeze spray, but for those of you who like to put freeze spray on your wigs, or after a few months when the lace is not super, super tight in the front for whatever reason, you can definitely use a freeze spray. I like to use the Got To Be. You can get this at Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, any place. I love it. But my wigs are really nice and secure. I actually don't need it. But like I said, since I've already started the video and committed, I will add a little bit of freeze spray to this very, very quickly. So this is how I start. I'll tie my hair back here and just kind of push the hair back like so. You see the lace here. This is what I'm going to freeze down. You see we have a really, really natural hairline here on the side. So when I do freeze it down, all of this will lay just really, really nice. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to kind of pull out what I need to and just freeze spray that hair right here. I hope I don't mess up the curls as I am pinning my hair back. And let's see if I can do this in just a few minutes. So I don't want too much hair here. And this is the point where if you're a girl who loves baby hair, this is when you can pull out and style your baby hair. I just don't have time and don't care too much for the baby hair because you really only see the wig from here to here. So once the hair is falling down, you don't see too much. And I'm just spraying this here. And that's it, just spray it. Spray, spray, spray. And now you just put a little bit of tension down. This is when I could just comb out some baby hair here. So I'm going to kind of just flick a little bit out, but not really too much. Until I leave? Oh, okay. So I have a little time. What's the name of the restaurant I'm going to? What kind of food do they have? Post and Beam. And they're local. And that's where I'm going. I'm taking my business mentor. It's my graduation from Blvd. Was there a package delivered today? I got a notification that a package came, but I was like, I didn't order anything. You guys see how great that looks already, and we didn't even apply any pressure or anything like that. I'm just going to add a little bit of pressure. And that's it. You can get the blow dryer and just kind of blow dry this to cool it. Actually, oh, you know I love shrimp and grits. Cast iron, garlic, ooh, that sounds good. How do you guys like my makeup? I tried to do more of a neutral look today since I'm supposed to look business professional, and I have my blazer that I'm putting on over this. Will you grab me the, not the comb, I don't think I'm gonna comb it out. Well, just in case, and the blow dryer. So yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos, guys. We have hundreds of glueless lace wigs in stock. Although I'm just using a little bit of free spray here, my wigs are glueless, but people ask all the time what they can use to tack down their wig if they want to. It's completely optional. As I showed you in the beginning of this video, my wig looked flawless and absolutely amazing and wasn't going anywhere without using the free spray. I never use glue, so any of those glues that you have to do the little dots on and dry it, all of that, I don't have time. I'm just a busy lady, and the only sort of tacking that I will ever use is this, and this is here because we stopped stylists and they would take our products home, so we put a sticker on it so people wouldn't steal from us. But yeah, so I use this because it's very easy. I can do it in a minute or so, and you don't really need a whole bunch of skill or patience to do it, because it doesn't matter if you get a little bit of free spray in your hair, because it's hairspray. So it's not wig glue, it's hairspray. You're not going to find it. Well, actually they have it in beauty supplies now, maybe, but it's not a wig glue, it's a free spray, and that's what I like to use. And you can use whatever you like or use nothing at all, because I wish I glue it. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com. We are having a slight price increase on May 1st, as well as we will have options for vendors. So if you're looking to start your own business, or if you want to add some products to your hair or beauty business, check out our vendor list, which will be available May 1st as well. We're located here in Culver City. If you're looking for custom and quality lace wigs, shop with us. We have amazing quality wigs. My wigs last for years. Ask any of my clients who have multiple wigs from us why they shop from us. It's because we have amazing quality wigs. We have much more variety in our Culver City store here than we do online. So if you're looking on our website and there's something that you like, but it's not the right length or texture, just contact us. You can chat with us on our website, or you can email us or give us a call, and we will make the perfect wig for you, if it's not already here in store. even usually when I use the freeze spray, I don't necessarily do this bullseye part because it takes an extra minute or so. It's good, it's ready to go. This is just hairspray. This is hairspray that we're cooling to dry and like setting it for the wig. So it's not a wig glue, it's just a spray. It doesn't leave a white film or anything like that. I can cut down and style my baby hair, which I usually don't do, but I will. Okay, but that menu sounded good. You said they had jerk catfish?
Yeah. Huh. It's like southern soul food. I have deviled eggs.
Ooh, I love deviled eggs. I showed Kobe that video you sent of the grilled deviled eggs. He was like, oh, we can make that. Then he's like, we should buy a grill this weekend. No, that wasn't the purpose of me showing you. We're already having a house full.
You guys remember you said you had a big patio too? You can put it on the patio.
Right, and on our patio is like a little space for barbecue. Like it's a nook out there. So we're going to get one. It's just a matter of when. Huh? 10 minutes. Got it. I'll be done. Let me know in the comments if I should comb these curls out. I actually kind of like how they look now. No, I don't think so either. Okay. You know, like, but I don't want to be doing too much kind of thing.
But how are nice curls that are together?
Okay.
And if you're doing something fluffier, they with the long curl.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, the thing that always takes me the longest is the baby hair. The gluing is the easy part, and that's why usually I won't even worry about this part here. But since I'm doing a video, but you see, very, very nice. There we go. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I am good to go. We're not going to comb these curls out. Shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We have the best glueless lace wigs. Check out this easy install here. And I'm cute, I'm cute, I'm cute. Hey girl, hey. Do I look like Beyonce? No. I cracked myself up. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. We'll see you soon. Bye.